Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I am so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and then you will get a notification every time I post a new wig related video or a wig review. So today I am wearing this really cute wig. This is from the Statements collection from the Wig Company. And the name of this one is Rise and the color is R10. So this is a very cute textured bob that is also has heat-friendly fibers, has this cute little curtain fringe bang. Really, really cute style. This is a basic cap. It has no monofilament, so that keeps that price point down. And I think that the top and the parting, as we go through the review and you see it, I think that it looks really good. I'm really impressed with it. So really, really cute style. So we will get started here and jump into all of her specifications. First, I will do a turn and then we'll look at all of her measurements and things like that. So she's really cute. I like the movement. She is just slightly asymmetrical here at the front. As you can see, these layers in the back are a little bit shorter, but it's not so asymmetrical that it's making me uncomfortable. Asymmetrical does make me a little uncomfortable, I'll be honest. I think I've said that in the past. You know, sometimes I just don't feel like I can pull it off. But these just sort of, it gives it a lot of body and, you know, the layers just kind of, some flip up, some flip under. You could also curl it back if you wanted to put curl in it. So, you know, I think with the movement, it doesn't bother me so much. So, really cute. Okay, so here is my right side. The back, my left side, and back to the front. So I will post a picture here. This is what she looked like when I first got her. I did have to go through with my flat iron and calm this part down just a little bit. She was really floopy and really pointing in towards my neck, and she just needed to be smoothed out a little bit. So that is all that I have done to the wig. I haven't done anything else as far as styling. The bang was really, really nice right out of the box, just laid right on my forehead. And as long as I keep it side swept, it's not too long for me. You can do a fringe all the way across, you know, if you like a little edgier look. Or, so, you know, I know some of y'all don't mind if those bangs are kind of in, you know, in your face a little bit and in your eyes. For me, it's kind of sensory overload, so I don't like it. It bugs me. So I just like them side swept, but it's great that, you know, they're not too long to where they're actually going to be getting in your face all the time or anything like that. This wig stays out of your face really, really nicely. So super cute. So as far as her measurements are concerned, she is 4 1/4 inches here in the front on this fringe. She is 9 inches from the crown. She has 10-inch sides. So that's what I'm talking about. There's just about an extra inch in here where she's a little bit longer here in the front. She's 9 inches in the back and her nape is a 6.5 inch nape. So nice measurements. You know, she's just barely brushing my shoulders. I'm not wearing a big collar or anything today. You know, the fibers would rub a little bit on some clothing. And as we go into the winter months here in the US, you know, that could be an issue. So just something to note. So as far as her cap features, so there's no lace front, but she does have really nice ear tabs. I'm happy with them. And the wig is very low density, which I like. So the ear tabs are really thin, so they shouldn't be a problem with glasses. We'll look at that in just a bit. But they're nice. I have good coverage. They have a good piece of metal in there. So really, really cute. This color is called R10. Also, the name of the color is Chestnut. There was not a description of the color on the website, but I can tell you that it is a really just nice medium brown. There's a slight variation, a little bit lighter color on top of a bit darker medium brown, but still staying in the medium brown range. And we'll take her outside in just a minute and look at that too. Really, really pretty color. Okay, let's look at her cap construction. So like I said, she is a basic cap. She has some closed lace here, but she is wefted all through this top, giving you nice ventilation. She has the soft felt here that's gonna lay right there against your hairline. She has open wefted ear tabs, but you can see that hair, how it's sewn on there. So if you wanna pull her back, she's got plenty of coverage there for that hair. And there's a good piece of metal in there, like I said. She's open wefted all through the cap. She does not have an extended nape. She does have felt right here at the nape, and she has Velcro adjusters. Okay, I do also want to show you the scalp here. I meant to do that a moment ago and forgot. So here's that scalp. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if those are showing on camera, those little hairs there. But there are some little tiny hairs. They have to put something over the cap there, you know, or else you would be seeing the wefting on the cap. So I can feel them with my hand, but they aren't real visible. And like I said, you can steam those down a little bit. If, you know, I can only speak, of course, to the wig that I have on my head. You know, if you feel like there's more of an appearance than that, you can steam those down, or you can even take your curling iron on a really low setting, and you can kind of smooth those off. Smooth them down there on the part. But I think it looks pretty nice. I mean, this is a really nice cap and a really cute style, you know, for under $100. So really a nice bargain. Okay, well, let's take R10 outside and we will look at her in the natural light. Okay, so since it's overcast, I'm just gonna come straight out into the natural light here. So you can see just kind of a you know, medium brown and just a slightly lighter medium brown in the color. And I'll let you look at that top out here in the natural light. Really cute. And you can see the sheen. These are heat-friendly fibers, so they really look like natural hair. Okay, so we are back inside with Rise by Statements. I do want to talk about styling now and glasses and all that good stuff. So there's a little card that is going to come with this wig, and on the back of it, it gives you the temperatures for heat styling. So I want you to pay attention to these tips, because there's a couple of different temperatures on here, and I'll tell you what I would do to handle that. So it says under the care instructions, it says heat styleable synthetic hair can withstand heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then there's a second section that says styling tips for heat styleable synthetic hair. It says blow dryers and other thermal tools may be used on low settings up to 350 degrees. And then it says ideal temperature for curling or straightening the fiber is 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 116 degrees Celsius. So that's kind of confusing. It confuses me a little bit as well. So I think what they're saying is that you're gonna get the curl and the straightening from about 240 degrees. My particular straightening iron, I don't know whether you can see this or not, but it has like a little knob. I don't know if that's showing. And it says it goes up to 450. So I don't have one of the ones that gives me the exact temperature setting. My curling irons do, but this straightening iron that I have does not do that. So what I did was I turned it on and it says it starts at 140. So I turned it up about until it wasn't all the way up to the 450. It was probably, like there's a little dot here. It was probably just over midway on my temperature. So I'm guessing that was probably 325 or so. But I would definitely start yourself off at 240 on your straightening tools if you have that exact temperature setting that you can see, and then see how the fibers are reacting before you jump up to 350. So it sounds like they're recommending more around the 240 range. So when I straightened it, I heated it up, and I literally I had it on a mannequin head, mind you. You could do it on your head, but to me, I just love styling hair on a mannequin head. I can do all the way around the head without having to worry about, you know, the part I can't see. But I just kept, you know, pulling it over the fibers, and it did really well with the heat. I didn't have any problem. None of the fibers, you know, curled up on me or anything like that. So it worked really well with my straightening iron. So just wanted to share that. So as far as glasses, she's got great ear tabs, and one way to style her is really just to stick her behind your ears. She looks really cute just behind the ears, you know. So she's got thin ear tabs. She works great with glasses, no problem. You can put glasses up on your head. Now, one thing I did notice when I was putting glasses up on my head is when I tried to push the hair back with the glasses, it didn't quite push back right. So what I would do is, if you're going to push your glasses back on your head, is put it behind your ears, put your glasses on, and then go. So, and then it works pretty well. So really, really cute. So as you can see, I mean, she's really cute to style as well. You know, she looks super cute with a headband, of course. It's always a cute way. And that also, if that top with the permatease bothers you a little bit, that'll cover that a little bit. So just if you are a little bothered by it, just give you a little peace of mind, throw a headband on. That'll solve the problem. And you don't have to have the hair behind the ears with the headband either. You can just stick a headband in, and that looks cute too. Really, really cute. She also has enough length here with these 10-inch sides that you can pull the sides all the way back, and I think she looks really cute like this. And then just take, you know, a little clip, and that looks really cute. Just change the style up, and then I think these little, you know, ends are just cute, kind of flopping around with that texture. They're fun. Really, really cute. And then, of course, you can, you know, just dress her up with cute clips if you just want to just barely clip her back. She's not one where you're going to be able to pull the bangs all the way back, but you could clip right beside the bangs, you know, put something cute, something shiny if you just wanted to add a little decoration to your hair for the night, you know, just something cute. These little alligator clips, they come in all kinds of, this is the only one I have, but they come with pearls and all kinds of cute stuff. Those are always cute, super easy to stick in a wig. They're awesome. So, really, really cute styling options. So, hope you have enjoyed this review. I want to say thank you to the wig company for sending me Rise to review for you all today. There will be information for purchase below. So until next time, hope you're doing well. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. See you next time. Bye.